Hi, my name is Siri and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing, can you guess? Yes, another get ready with me. I don't know, I just like filming these videos. They just make me happy. I can just get creative. I don't really have like a rhyme or reason as to why I'm filming it. I'm just getting ready and trying out different techniques. I rarely try out new products. I won't even lie about that. Today I was actually going to film a different video. I was going to film a tutorial, but it was a tutorial on like a look that I wear on the regular, and like I don't wear contacts on the regular, so I feel like it just wouldn't look the same. I don't know. So we're just going to postpone that video for a later date, and today we're just going to sit down and just play with some of my favorite products. I feel like I need to refresh my face, so I have these sprays from NYX. Yes, guys, I have new products. These are the NYX Dewy Finish and Matte Finish. I'm going to be honest, I don't really wear setting sprays unless I'm going out somewhere or I'm going to be photographed or something. Other than that, I usually just let my natural oils show through. It's just me. So I'm going to use the Dewy one just because I'm going to like refresh my face a little bit. Pat that in. And it should make my makeup last longer since I'm putting it on as a base. I did this a couple of videos ago, and when I went out to go run errands, my makeup lasted all day and it looked so flawless, and like it was raining and everything. So next we're going to go ahead and do foundation. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation and apply that on areas that need more coverage. And I also apply this on areas that don't need as much coverage, just to like even out the color, because like if I use this only on like my dark spots and then I use another foundation, it's going to look really weird. Next thing I'm going to use is my Born This Way foundation from Too Faced, and I actually like to use this now because I got like a little like glass palette so that I don't have to squeeze this onto the back of my hand. That's like my biggest pet peeve, is putting makeup on the back of my hand. No. So now I'm taking this like dense brush and I'm kind of thinning out the product and distributing it around the brush before I apply it onto my face. I just love this foundation pairing. Like they're two very different foundations and I would never think to put them together. So if you guys didn't know, if you are new to the channel, I'm a freshman in college, and you know what? The year wasn't so bad academically, and I have, including this week, I have 3 weeks of college left. It seems like I'm so close to the end, but also I'm so far away. Like this semester just went from like 0 to 100, and I also have 0 energy and 0 want or desire to do any of the assignments that I'm assigned. So, you know what? I just keep telling myself I have 3 weeks left. You know, I'm gonna make it through, and then I'll have all of the free time in the world to do whatever I want. But I'm so tired. I'm tired of studying. I'm tired of pulling like all-nighters. I'm tired of the random busy work assignments. I'm tired. This one contact I put in wrong and now it's like moving. That's great. That's fun. So now moving on to concealer. You guys know I'm trying to use these up, so I'm just going to mix together a hopefully usable color. So the Sephora VIB sale is currently going on, and I think I might buy a few things. I definitely don't need any more lip products. I have so many lip products that I've literally never worn, never used at all. Some I've never swatched. Definitely don't need any more of those. But as for like complexion, I don't know if I need a new concealer. I mean, after I finish these two, I only have 1 concealer. So I guess I could get a new concealer. I also want to try out like a new foundation. And I'm also looking for, but cannot successfully find, like an eyeshadow palette that matches the theme of what I've been wearing recently, like the eyeshadows I've been wearing. I can't find one that, like, you know, just like matches me, which is almost why I always use my Jaclyn Hill palette, because even though it's a really big palette, it has everything that I always use, and I use it for literally everything. I know I've had it for like 2 years now, but like, why did I just buy another palette for no reason? Yeah, I was looking, I saw some that I really liked, but like, I didn't see any that like fit exactly what I've been wearing these past couple months. After I finish filming this video, probably gonna go in Sephora, see if there's anything online that I like. I've been using a pressed powder. Maybe that's another thing. I might want to look into picking up a pressed powder setting powder. Hey guys, so I am back. You guys didn't realize I was gone, but my contacts were just really like irritating my eyes. I think both of them were like flipped inside out, so that's why they kept moving, because I like took them out and put them back in, and now they're just fine. But since then, I actually, like, taking out my contacts and everything, my eyes are like watering, and I don't think my makeup's completely messed up. I am going to put on a little bit more concealer. Also, I wanted to say I put this Dewy setting spray on my face, and I like don't need powder. Like, my face is completely set. My face isn't oily at all, so we're not going to put powder on my whole face. We'll just do like under my under eyes, since I am going to be reapplying concealer. But I thought that was really interesting because I looked in the mirror just now and I was like, my face is not like oily at all, which is like crazy. So if I can like get away with not wearing powder and just putting setting spray under my foundation, I definitely will. Because as a dry skin girl, unless I like put on like a ton of moisturizer and like oils under my makeup, like powder, and I don't like wearing powder. I think I've officially used up this concealer. I'm so happy. I like this concealer. Some people say it makes them break out, but I don't use this all over my face. I only use it under my eyes. I wish it was just a little less orange, because I feel like it's like too golden to where it, you know, can start to look a little orange. But overall, I really did like this concealer. I probably could like scrape it out and get one more use out of it, but I think I've officially finished this. I also want to highlight a little bit. I think I'm looking a little too sun-kissed, so I'm gonna add some concealer in the center of my face just to even everything out. So like I was saying before I, had this whole eye fiasco happen, I've recently been really into using like pressed powders versus loose powders. I just feel like loose setting powders are just such a process to apply. I've had this feeling for a while. I just never knew of any really good pressed setting powders, but I do know they have released some new ones recently, so maybe I'll check those out. So next I'm going to set my face with just a little bit of powder. I'm going to go back in with the Hello Flawless powder. So next I'm going to go back in with my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is the Anastasia bronzer. I was thinking about picking up a new bronzer from the sale as well, but like I just bought this bronzer like literally a couple days ago. So I feel like I might use this bronzer just for a little bit, just so I didn't like buy this bronzer for nothing and then I'll look for another bronzer. I'm gonna do the eyes first, and then I'm gonna come back to like the blush and everything, just because I don't want it to like not match. I actually don't know if I even want to wear blush, because like I just love how the skin looks right now. It's so weird because I am like known for loving blush, but like recently I haven't been, and every time I wear blush I like regret putting it on. I don't know what I want to do, guys, for the eyes, because whenever I wear my contacts I only wear them to wear like pinks and oranges and reds, because I never wear those on my own. But like I'm not in the mood for that. I feel like I'm just giving off very like summery, beachy vibes today, especially with my new hair. AKA this is just my hair without extensions in. Do we want to use this palette? I have this palette that I never use. But, like, I'm not in the mood for glam. Like, I'm just very much in the mood for nothing. This is so awful. Do I even want to wear eyeshadow? No, I don't. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, whatever, it's fine. I think it's the hair. We'll address the hair in a second. But I think it's just giving me very, like, simple. So I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This makes my lashes look so pretty. It just instantly makes them look good. Holy smokes. Guys, look at how long my bottom lashes are with one coat of mascara. That's insane. They're like about to touch my under eye. Okay. Next I'm going to do my brows. I don't really do my brows. Like, unless I'm going out, I don't do my brows. So let's address the elephant in the room. So this is how long my hair currently is. It's a little bit shorter in the front than it is the back. You get the gist. It's basically this length. Basically, the only thing I do to it right now is straighten it, and I dye it jet black. I don't know. I just really like the dark hair on me. I feel like it just really fits me, especially short, dark hair. Like, I've really wanted to wear just, like, short hair for a while. And, like, now my natural hair is this length. And I think it's just really cute, especially for the summer, because it's not going to be, like, super heavy. But, and however, one of my, like, goals for this year was to do something different with my hair. So, I don't know if I'm going to do it this summer or later this year, but I am definitely sticking to my goals, and I will be doing something very different to my hair. I don't know what it is. I don't really want blush today. I'm just not in the mood. So I'm taking this towel out of the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm just applying a little bit. And even that, like, I just don't want blush. I don't know. I don't feel like bronzing my nose or doing anything else. I really just like how this looks. It looks super pretty. Okay, so next is the lips. I feel like that's, like, the only thing I'm going to do. I don't know. What do we want to do? Do we want to put on lipstick? Let's see. Do we like that? It's really dark for this look. It just, like... Let's see if we blend it out. I forgot how much I love this lipstick. This is the Anastasia matte lipstick in Buff. It is the perfect mauve-y shade, and I feel like it works on, like, all skin tones because a lot of mauves are just too bright on me and I wind up not liking them, but this one is perfect. I think I'm going to end this video with just a gloss. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous the Gloss, and this is in Super Natural. This is my favorite gloss that I never like to tell people about because I like it to be my secret weapon because it's so cheap, but it's so pretty. I'm going to add just a little bit of liner on the outside. And this is the NYX Suede liner in Downtown Beauty. So this is it. What do you guys think? I really like this look. I feel like I look super vibrant. I also really like this lip combo. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, I've also been meaning to retry out the lip combo that I used in my Valentine's video. I think I used, like, the Too Faced lipstick with another gloss. I didn't put on powder. Who am I? Like, first I, like, stopped wearing lip liner. Like, I applied a little bit today, but this is, like, the color of my natural lips, and I just wanted to look more, like, natural. So that's the only reason why I added it on the corners, just so, like, it looked like my natural lips. But, like, honestly, I didn't have to add a lip liner, and now I'm not wearing lashes, and now I'm not wearing any powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it and just sitting down and chatting with you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.